Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the Instagram hidden feature called alt text feature. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we have to create a post on Instagram. We can click on this plus button to start creating a new post, and for example, I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery, this one, and we can go to next and click on the next button again, and then I'm going to show you where the alt text feature is. You can go to the advanced settings to find the alt text feature. The alt text feature is on the accessibility setting. You just need to write the alt text right here, and this feature will improve the accessibility on your Instagram, guys. Instagram user with visual impairments may use the screen readers that read aloud text description of on-screen image. Other than that, adding the Instagram alt text can also help you to improve your Instagram post performance through SEO. And I'm just going to write green leaves on a bucket like this, and then we can click on done, and after that we can click on done again, and we can post our Instagram post. You just need to click on share, and if you want to edit your alt text, you can just click on the three dots on your post. Wait guys, I'm just going to click on my post, and then we can click on these three dots, and you can click on edit. Okay, and here you can edit your alt text. Okay, you can edit it right here, and then I'm just going to click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can use the alt text feature on Instagram to improve the accessibility and improve our Instagram post performance. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.